over 20 years, at the very center of North Vietnam's infrastructure developments, deep-sea industrial zones have been continuously building and improving a synergy of prime industrial land and ready-built workshop warehouses for lease, integrated with reliable utilities provision and supporting services. Strategically located in the center of Southeast Asia, Vietnam can connect investors and exporters to a market of 3.1 billion people within a radius of 3,500 kilometers. With steady economic growth, stable policies, highly attractive tax incentive, and competitive labor force, Vietnam has received a lot of attention as one of the most attractive investment locations in Southeast Asia, as well as an alternative to China. As a member of WTO and ASEAN, Vietnam is also participating in various free trade agreements such as EVFTA and CPTPP. These two new trade deals will facilitate Vietnam's easy access to the new market of 1 billion people. In recent years, 42% of the foreign investment into Vietnam took place in the north, attracted by massive investment in infrastructures in and around Haiphong, the third largest city of Vietnam. A cornerstone in the development of infrastructure in the north is the first new deep water port at Lach in Haiphong, which has been operational since 2018. With a draft of -14 meters, Lach Deep Sea Port, as a game changer for the region, will offer investors and exporters cost-efficient connection to the rest of the world. The new International Airport connects Haiphong with industrial hubs worldwide. A new highway connects the new industrial developments of Haiphong to Hanoi, the capital and also the second largest city in Vietnam. A new expressway connecting Haiphong City, Quang Ninh Province, and China will reduce trucking time to China to less than 3 hours. Established in 1997 by Belgian company Rentaport and the local authority, Deep Sea Haiphong 1 Industrial Zone was the first project within Deep Sea Industrial Cluster. Over the years, seeing the potential of the region, Deep Sea's shareholders decided to develop another 4 industrial parks, creating Deep Sea Cluster with over 3,000 hectares of industrial land for lease. Tenants in the Deep Sea industrial zones are offered flexible solutions based on requirements ranging from leasing land to build-to-suit solution. Ready-built workshops and warehouses are available for small and medium enterprises, allowing quick entry to the market. Reliable utility services and highest quality are provided, meeting industry standards. Power and water are distributed to each tenant via reliable underground system. State-of-the-art and ISO-certified water treatment plant is available to handle factories' processed water. Additional services include production of steam, demineralized water, on-site pre-treatment of wastewater, and telecommunication, available on demand. Tenants in the petrochemical park have the privilege of direct access to the shared use of deep-sea liquids jetty. Investors in deep-sea Haiphong industrial zones are entitled to the best tax incentive package in Vietnam, applied only to economic zones. The investors are granted 15 years of corporate income tax exemption and reduction. Nearly 100 projects within the total investment capital of nearly $3.5 billion already realized the opportunities and are producing successfully in deep-sea industrial zones. Aiming to create a greener and more sustainable manufacturing environment for our tenants, deep-sea industrial zones are developing renewable energy from solar and wind. As such, develop Deep Sea as an eco-park. Deep-sea industrial zones, your reliable partner. Come and grow with us.